So, hello everyone. Welcome to the series named Conversation with Kushal once again. Today we have a special guest. Well, he doesn't need any introduction, but just to complete the formality, I'll just introduce him. So, we have Siddhant Bhandari with us, All India Rank 1 of November 2018, post which he applied in Barings Partners India Private Equity, and currently he's pursuing a job in Barings India Private Equity. Well, most of the CA aspirants have this dream to have a job in private equity, and he was very fortunate enough to get a job right after his CA finals. So thank you so much, Siddhant, for accepting my invitation and coming up on the show. And heartiest congratulations for all your achievements.
Thanks, Kushal, for having me here. And you're doing a good job uploading videos and all for CA students. I think it's very much required for CA students so that a rank holder or something who has achieved those targets already can guide the students and getting different guests around to guide the students. Thanks for doing that,
Right.
Kushal.
Thank you so much. So it is because of you people who are coming up on the show I'm able to achieve this particular objective. Thanks to you.
We will best be free to come for CA
Yeah.
students.
So Siddhant, we would be dividing our conversation into three parts. So basically, first we would be like touching up upon your academics part first. Then we would just discuss briefly about your work experience in a private equity. And lastly, we would just explore the options what are available to chartered accountants after they clear their examinations. So these were some of the questions given in community post as well when I uploaded that you're going to come. And I've just mentioned on the question in a chronological order. So this would be the flow.
Cool. Cool. Yeah, we can go forward.
Yeah. So let's begin. So Siddhant, first of all, I'd like to ask, what according to you are some of the mistakes or some of the reasons which normal students do as compared to a rank holder?
Now, so I can compare myself only as I was in my IPCC days and
Hmm.
as I was in CA
Yeah.
final. So I'll
Okay.
say that planning. I think the planning was very important in CA final for CA
Hmm.
finals particularly because you have to complete all the eight subjects in particular time. Then you have to go for your when you go for your study leaves, how you prepare in those months. That is very important. I think the planning part I did very well, and I maintain consistency every time. Like consistency in the sense, I'll say, like even after going tuitions, you have to revise, keep on revising those stuffs
Hmm.
either on the same day or on a weekend, like
Hmm.
whenever you get time. So I think वो बहुत important होता है कि you have to make a plan and be consistently following it because that is very important. You see, final course is vast. Like
Right.
anyone cannot imagine कि जो course होता है IPCC में जो course था, and when we see a CA final course, we see what IPCC was, how small IPCC is in front of your CA final. So I think
Right.
that, and there's an saying also that an idiot with a plan can beat a genius without a plan. So I think planning
Absolutely.
was one, and also you should be confident of your own capabilities. Like you should know what you are good at and what you are weak at. So मेरे
Hmm.
time पे it was like I was weak in theory subjects particularly. So I had a plan कि theory subjects I have to revise more and make my concept clear over there. जो भी कैसे भी करना है, I have to practice more, and that part was very important for me because
Hmm.
practical even I knew because in my IPCC maybe the practicals I always secured good marks, but theory part
Hmm.
was the worst because in IPCC I think all the three theory subjects audit, law, and इसका जो भी
Hmm.
अपना IT था IT,
Hmm.
I got 40-42 around marks in that. तो वो
Okay.
जस्ट पास मार्क्स था मेरा, इसलिए मुझे
Hmm.
पता था कि मुझे सीए फाइनल में क्या करना है और किधर प्रिपरेशन ज्यादा होगा. So that, and also utilizing your time proper, I'll say, कि
Hmm.
how you manage your work, your studies, and your fun part of your life. So that is you
Right.
have to manage properly. So that I think will differentiate anybody, a rank holder or a non-rank holder.
Right, right. So I think planning and consistency that is of utmost significance if you really want to ace in your examinations, and that can be achieved only by your
Kushal,
own willpower
you
and dedication. I
करेक्ट.
think.
कुशल तूने भी किया होगा, मतलब तेरा भी कंसिस्टेंसी एंड प्लानिंग तो रहेगा. तू रैंकर है एवरी, मतलब जिसमें भी सीपीटी, आईपीसीसी फाइनल. आई गेस यू गॉट सिक्स रैंक ना, मतलब ऐसा कुछ था.
Six,
सिक्स
fifth,
सिक्स
fifth,
फाइव ऐसा.
655.
हाँ.
So
प्रेशर बहुत
yeah,
ज्यादा होगा तेरे में यार. हम पे तो फिर भी कम प्रेशर था क्योंकि आईपीसीसी में तो रैंक आया नहीं था, तो ये फाइनल वाज डिफरेंट फॉर अस, वे वी
हाँ
यूज्ड टू
थोड़ा
स्टडी.
प्रेशर तो
बट
था.
तेरे पे वो कि रैंक देन रैंक ही लाना है यार, और ऑप्शन क्या है. आई थिंक
थोड़ा
वो
प्रेशर
प्रेशर
तो
नहीं
था.
था मेरे पे.
लेकिन आई कन्वर्टेड दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर इनटू एन एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन. तो जब भी कोई मुझे बोलते थे कि तेरा रैंक तो पक्का ही आएगा, तो मैं इसको ऐसे सोचता था कि यार चलो इनके होप्स है मेरे से इतने, तो मेरे को इनके होप्स को ये मतलब डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करना है.
हाँ,
तो
डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं
इसको
करना
मैंने
है.
एक्सटर्नल
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
मोटिवेशन में लिया, ना कि टॉर्चर के तौर पे लिया.
Yeah,
बहुत सारे
that's a
स्टूडेंट्स
good part.
टॉर्चर के तौर पे लेते हैं. So that is a thing which
Correct.
I avoided, and fortunately, I was able to secure the same rank as well in my CA finals. Yeah, so I think planning
Consistency.
and
That is called
consistency.
consistency.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's nice. So, Siddhant, like, what are some of the perquisites according to you which a CA final rank holder would get, and has your CA final rank one entirely transformed your life?
I guess perks you are asking, no? मतलब,
Yeah, perks.
for the CA
Right.
finals. मतलब the rank
Yeah.
holders specifically अगर job market if we see, so there are certain kind of jobs which are reserved only for rank holders, like they call only rank holders.
Hmm.
Like you would have also experienced that HUL, Marico, ABG, uh, BCG, McKinsey, Bain, all these companies usually shortlist candidates who are rank holders because they don't want to go into the जितने भी पास होएंगे then shortlist among के who will be better for our particular role. So what they do is
Right.
like just shortlist the rank holders. In rank holders will be shortlist होता है. After
Hmm.
rank holders, you're again there's a shortlist that they generate and call around 20-25 people, and then so that benefit will of course rank holders get above the other CAs. But having said that, it is not. I think rank holders get a push of like 2 years in compared to other CEOs. Other CAs can maybe join a BCG after 2 years of experience, but they can apply for a BCG interview after 2 years of experience anywhere else. So
Hmm.
that is I guess a push which rank holders usually get. But having said that, I don't think so. Ki future maybe every rank holder will perform.
Right.
There have been situations like
True.
जहाँ पर rank holders have not got any job. मतलब
Right.
in my attempt also in future attempts also there has been situation like those rank holders have not got job
Yeah.
which they wanted.
In my
But
attempt
then
also, there
there
were
are
people who
situations
didn't get job. Right.
so ऐसा नहीं कि every rank holder will get a job because rank holder
Right.
का competition rank holder में हो जाता है. So if there are
Hmm.
for particular attempt मेरे attempt में समझ लो old course and new course के rank holders थे. So there were around 150 rank holders
Hmm.
only. So
Hmm.
there's a competition between 150. You are one out of 150. So
Right.
more competition है ही आपके पास. So there, and once this is a good thing. कि once you are selected, even after being a rank holder, then your rank is no matter for them. If
Hmm.
now
Hmm.
you are entered into a HUL में अगर interview देने गए, your rank doesn't matter. Now your whatever their process is that matters. So accordingly
Right.
they will shortlist. So HUL में मेरा नहीं हुआ था. The other rank holders got. So
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं है कि the rank कोई particular rank holder हो गया 1 to 5 में उसको ज़्यादा benefit हो रहा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता इसमें.
Hmm.
Yeah, but having said that, but in future, I think what I have seen in my industry, in investment banking field, there are a lot of CAs, those who have never got a rank in any of the exams, but
Hmm.
they are working in investment banking, they are working in PE firms. So
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं है कि only rank holders get a chance. Like there are
Right.
ways where other people also get a chance.
Right. Completely agree with you on this particular topic. So, Siddhant, then like you cleared your CA finals, of course. So, just to ask, how was your life before becoming a CA and after becoming a CA? तो CA के पहले कैसा
So
लगता था और CA के बाद लाइफ कैसी चेंज हो गई?
So before becoming a CA, you were one in many. मतलब काफी लोग CA कर रहे हैं. मतलब there are
Hmm.
lakhs of students who are doing CA, and just
Hmm.
after just when you get that CA letter in front
Hmm.
of your name, then you are one of the few lakhs of people who are CAs. Like I guess 350 some lakhs to other CAs in India. So
Hmm.
that I guess everybody gets that feel that you are a CA now. I guess the responsibilities increase and rank के आने के बाद तो I think my responsibilities have increased to prove myself again and again. I guess वो pressure तो
Right.
हमेशा रहेगा ही. So
Right.
I guess everybody has that pressure. तो मेरे बाद जो भी rank holder आता है ना, I usually call them and tell
Hmm.
them कि यार तू chill करना. Rank one
Hmm.
specifically I call this particular person कि chill करना. ये pressure
Hmm.
बहुत रहेगा but enjoy this particular moment जो moment अभी है ना जो 10 दिन का जो moment रहता है after
Hmm.
clearing when you meet your relatives or CA तो तब enjoy करना चाहिए. बाकी जो भी job and all those things will happen. मतलब उसके लिए टेंशन कभी नहीं लेना चाहिए. I guess
Right.
not particularly a rank holder. I guess rank holder के लिए थोड़ा टाइम के लिए बहुत ज्यादा होता है. But after becoming a CA, for everybody life is different only. Like
Right.
everybody has that dream of becoming a CA, and मतलब I guess that happiness which we get and our parents and relatives get, I guess that is unmatchable
Right.
with anything.
Exactly. I always say like that feeling. I think it cannot be expressed. It can only be felt at
हाँ
that
मतलब
particular moment.
I was like मतलब मेरा तो मोमेंट अलग ही था. मतलब मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. मतलब फर्स्ट डे तो मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया था क्या हो गया. Then
Right.
day by day we got used to हाँ क्या हाँ कुछ ऐसा हुआ है. That was very different. क्योंकि first time rank आना, I don't know how to take that. मतलब वो rank और rank 1 आ गया था. I think me
Right.
was shocked. My friends मतलब मैं बॉम्बे में था तब तो my friends my flatmates were shocked कि क्या हो गया. Like it was very different feeling. I guess everybody
Right.
was happy at the end. Yeah.
Right, absolutely. That's nice. So then you cleared your CA finals, you got an All India rank 1 in your November 18, post which you applied into Barings Partners India Private Equity. So guys, regarding the interview process, I won't be discussing the interview process. He has separately covered that in Neeraj Arora's third video. So I would be giving the link of that video in the description box. If you just want to have a go through that video, you can click on the link given in the description box. So regarding the profile which you've got in your private equity, could you just brief upon how does a typical day look like in a private equity firm? Specifically, you can mention what is your work profile, how is your work experience been over the past 2 years, and how have you been feeling in a private equity firm?
So basically, what a private equity firm does is invest in companies,
Right,
and it can be private companies also, and it can be a public market companies also, a
right.
listed company. So we invest in companies. Basically, our target is to invest in a company at a cheaper valuations
Hmm.
and exit that company in the next 5 to 6 years and return our money back to our investors by giving a benchmark returns of, say, benchmark returns is usually 25% of IRR
Hmm.
you give to the, or plus, usually we target that.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
a typical work day for me would be evaluation of deals which comes through different investment bankers,
Hmm.
uh, or directly through the founders. If it is a startup, then directly founders can give us a deck like to evaluate the deal. If we
Hmm.
find, so our work is to like the work mine, and I usually work with a partner or a principal. So there's no one in between that. So
Hmm.
directly working with them and end to end. Once we meet the management of the company, we discuss what the company is particularly doing, and then we research like what is the industry size, what is the growth in the industry, what is the expected growth in the market, what is the competition in the market, the
Hmm.
intensity, who has the edge over others, and
Hmm.
where we will make money. Matlab, we invest in a company to make money. So where we can make money in that company. So research of that is done by me and my partners along with us. Then financial modeling part is usually done by analyst or associate role only. Like modeling
Hmm.
is simple. Like you have to estimate what companies can make in the future periods, and
Hmm.
that is the and according to that we value a company. Like valuation is either a discounted cash flow valuation or a relative valuation. Relative valuation
Right.
is like a P multiple, EV EBITDA multiple. So those kind of things we do, and we invest in companies. So it's looked like a very easy process, but it's very difficult because first we have to identify the industry, the attractiveness, whether will that company grow or not in the industry, will it have an edge or not. Then it goes to the financials of the company, whether it's a
Hmm.
profitable how gross margins are there, like
Hmm.
whether they make more than the competitors, less than the competitor, what is the advantage over others.
Hmm.
And then the third part is the management of the company. How is the management? Because ultimately, whatever the company is will be driven by the management. They
Right.
have to drive the company. They have to earn the money.
Right.
Like for us to make the money, management has to do their work properly. I'll say. So this is
Hmm.
the process of evaluating the deal. So I guess end-to-end process of that. And the last process is, I guess, after we have decided that we want to invest in a company, we make
Hmm.
an FIR, like it's a report for the investment committee that goes to the investment committee, and the investment committee approves whether you can invest in this particular company or not. So
Okay.
that is the work what we do.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty interesting to hear. So basically, you just applied to it and you are now into a private equity firm. You did your articleship from KPMG and Deloitte. I had heard in one interview. So you
Yeah.
had done an auditing department, right? So
Mhm.
is it a myth that a person who has done articleship from auditing cannot get into a private equity firm? Of course, we have an example who has got into a private equity. But is it that if you are doing your statutory auditing in articleship, can you not go into a private equity?
No, no, private equity doesn't even look कि कौन सा बंदा कहाँ से है. Like
Okay.
he's from audit or tax, doesn't matter.
Okay.
For P's, I've never seen कि it will matter. They have their different process of interviews.
Hmm.
You have to clear that to get into a PE or investment banking field.
Hmm.
I don't think so. They matter like which will, because I did audit for 1 year in Deloitte and then 2 years
Hmm.
was M&A tax, and I have
Hmm.
been asked about my experience in the interviews, but never it's like focused on audit में क्या किया है और
Hmm.
tax में
Hmm.
क्या किया है. I don't think so. That is a concern.
Okay. All right. Thanks for answering this and clearing the myth, which almost many of the students had.
And it's not a also not that कि big four भी होना चाहिए. I don't think so. ये भी कोई compulsion नहीं है. There's no
Okay.
compulsion कि you have to be from big four to get into a PE or IB.
Hmm.
There's no compulsion. There some
Okay.
big top PE firms or top IB firms may have that restriction, but
Hmm.
I don't think so. But there are a lot of IB firms, different IB firms, small tier IB firms also that hire people. Like there's no compulsion
Okay.
there.
Yep. That's nice. Thanks to clear this particular myth as well. So asking you the next question, according to you, like in private equity, usually what I have heard is that science graduates like IITians, they are preferred over CA graduates. So how is the future of
Then
CAs in private equity firms? Like how are the growth prospects for a chartered accountant?
I think nowadays I see like a lot of CAs are also entering into these fields. Like I don't
Hmm.
think so. 5 years or 6 years down prior to us, they were hiring also in these particular companies like
Hmm.
IBs, consulting companies or those. They have started hiring because they also wanted a diversity of people around there. So I
Hmm.
think it will take time, but I guess we are entering in that field, and it will take time for a CA also to become a head of of that particular company, like a partner level kind of thing. So I think that will take a time, but there is a scope always there. I think right now it might be favored in the front of IIT, IITs usually, but I think going forward that will also change because they also need
Right.
diversity in their uh, team.
Right.
And I've seen
Exactly.
like I guess I've seen in top P firms there are CAs also there.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So that I was having a conversation with Divyan Jain also recently. So he has got into Blackstone, and I was asking him
Yeah, I know.
regarding the same. So he was telling
And
that
even
IITians are
Blackstone
usually
has
preferred.
IITs ratio wise, of course, IITians or
Yeah.
IM guys are more, but there are CAs in Blackstone also. There's one CA. What I've seen,
Okay.
I've heard. There's a
Yeah.
CA at a principal level.
Yeah.
There
Right.
is.
He was mentioning the same. So at analyst level, he was
Yeah,
telling that he was the first one in the last 12 years, 12 or 15
yeah,
years.
yeah. I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right. Yeah, adding on to this particular thing itself, I have heard that IIM Ahmedabad and Bangalore, of course, they are the top-notch graduates. They are preferred over CA candidates. So the grooming and the personality which they have and which they get in their college, that is much better as compared to which we get in our articleship days. So what is your take on this, and how can CAs develop those skills so that we can match the skills which IIM Ahmedabad and Bangalore graduates have?
I think basically IIM people usually the skills, two skills which they have ahead of us is their communication skills and
Hmm.
their networking skills. These are
Right.
the major, very important skills which we
Hmm.
every CA should also have. That communication skills, I guess everybody is improving on that level,
Hmm.
and the networking power. That usually IIM's ka problem. What is the benefit IIMs usually get? Ki they get into a PE firm where
Hmm.
already their IIM graduates are there. So their
Hmm.
networking power is very high. They can connect with
Right.
different people in different PE firms very fast. So
Hmm.
that I guess there these all IIM guys have benefits,
Hmm.
but I think that is improving going forward. As I'm saying, people are entering into different fields. Like CA is not only into tax audit; ये सब
Hmm.
pure fields में नहीं है. There has been people have moved from consulting field. Consulting people, the CAs who have moved to consulting in 2 3 years prior, they have moved to a PE firm. So I think going forward, ये सब change हो रहा है, and you will
Hmm.
find a lot of CAs in next 5 years down the line. There will be a lot of CAs at the top level positions in IB and PE firms. That will
Hmm.
make that they go and hire another CA for
Right.
under them. Like there can be a preference over there. So
Right.
ultimately, prior earlier there was a preference by if you are IIM guy, then you will go and directly hire from IIM Ahmedabad. That's a very
Right.
like everybody will do that. Where it happens everywhere. Like that happens.
Exactly.
So I think that will change, and there has
Right.
been a movement, a move over there. Like everybody gets a chance at least. Like VCs have got chance at least to get an interview over there.
Right. Right. Get it. So you said that MBA grads, they have communication skills quite better than us. So just wanted to ask, how do
I think
we
they're
develop
doomed.
these
They're
skills?
doomed.
So
I
how
guess
can
they're
we
doomed
develop
for
these
that.
skills in our
These skills,
articleship
I guess,
days or?
big for, I guess, usually working in an articleship firm in a metro cities will
Hmm.
give you a better communication skills. That I've
Okay.
seen because usually you interact with clients and then the communication skills develop because
Hmm.
that only gives chance to that because in these firms only or you get a chance to talk to the top level management of the company.
Right.
That is the one way where you can develop your communication skills. I think ICI has also doing those courses that also helps at least getting the fear out of your out that stage fear everybody has that at least
Hmm.
that should be removed out of your like that is very one thing which is very important that the stage fear the fear of talking to different people in a management level how you speak to them because you have a time like let's say you get into a lift and you have seen the management CEO going in the same office what
Hmm.
communication you can have in that 1 minute with him that will put a different I guess I'll different effect on that particular
Right.
CEO of yours. So that is where we used to lag, but I don't think so. There's so much difference or gap between IM guys and CA guys now. I don't think so. That is true now.
Right, get your point. So last would be any. So I think this was a very candid conversation with you. Any last message which you would like to give to all the CA aspirants?
I think what I'll say is keep on working hard, but
Hmm.
keep on always working hard. There's no alternative to working hard, and
Hmm.
keep on doing that. And I'll say that your hard work will give benefits, will reap benefits in future. You don't even know when that will come, but of course it will reap benefits in the future. Uh, and I guess mostly CA aspirants will only be watching these kind of these videos, so keep on doing that and waste less time, or I'll say not wasting less time, but manage your time well. So that is
Hmm.
very important. And a lot of people says that the luck is also important factor in CA, clearing CA final exam. I'll say that if you work hard, then your luck will also be better. You will have
Right.
more luck to also clear. So
Right.
never believe that only luck matters over there. So I
Hmm.
think that. And also I'll end that with a adage like there are decades where nothing happens and there are weeks where decades happen. I'm saying
Oh,
just
oh.
that keep on working hard, keep on working hard. You never know what your hard work will reap benefits. I'm sure that that will give you benefits in the future life. That's
Right.
what, keep on working hard. I don't think so even after getting rank, I think we people will have to keep on working hard, because there will be always another person who's working harder than you. You will have to
Exactly.
beat that guy. So
Absolutely.
that's
I think that was kind of
yeah.
very motivating as well. तो जो लोग सीए फाइनल के एग्जाम्स भी दे रहे होंगे ये सुन के तो पढ़ाई के लिए जोश तो आ ही गया होगा. Thanks for your
हाँ,
kind
थोड़ा
words.
सा टाइम आ गया है.
Yeah, and I think you're
I guess
doing some new initiative as well, right? You are guiding CA aspirants. You've started a channel with someone, if I'm not wrong.
yeah,
So what's that
I've
about?
started a channel with Shriti Singh. So I've
Okay.
started a channel. I'm not getting a time to upload the videos over there, but
Hmm.
in going forward we'll upload videos majorly concerning on the CA students only, like whatever their
Okay.
problems are. Whenever we get time on weekends, we'll record videos and upload
Hmm.
that. That we are doing.
That's awesome, guys. So do subscribe to that particular channel as well. I'll just provide the link in the description box so
Yeah.
you can access the same. Thank you so much, Siddhant, for taking out your time and coming up on the show. It was really a very good conversation with you. बहुत candid, बहुत natural था. ऐसे लग रहा था कि मैं दोस्त के साथ ही बात कर रहा हूँ. Thank you so much for being so frank and candid with me.
Thanks for having me, and all the best for the work you're doing and
Yeah.
the job you're working.
Thanks a lot. All the best to you too for your future endeavors.
Thanks. Thanks.
At this point of time, I'd like to thank Unacademy for sponsoring the video. For CA Foundation students who are giving their attempt in May 2021, they have a batch which is commencing from 19th of October 2020. It is at a very subsidized cost of Rs 3,500 only for 1 month subscription. You can use my code, that is Kushal5, to get a 10% discount on this 3,500, and you can anytime enhance and renew the subscription as per your time, your interest and your availability. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope this video was useful for all of you. If you do like this particular video, share it with all your friends, subscribe to my channel and like the videos so that I can create more videos for all of you. Thank you once again for watching the video. See you in the next video.